Hi, kitty cats. So I'm gonna do my Boxycharm. I know I just did like a Boxycharm, but that was last month's Boxycharm, and I did it really late. So I'm gonna do Joan's Boxycharm now. I'm still waiting for my Ipsy to show up, and then we're gonna do like 3 months worth of Ipsys. For reals. For reals. Because I hadn't done them in a while. So what do we got here? We've got lots of different things here. Cute little Boxycharm card. That's different. They put some packing material in. I've never seen them put packing material in here before. And it's like a piece of paper. I don't know if it really helped, but I guess we'll see. Looks like I got good stuff, to be honest. What is this? Love script. Your body is a temple. Worship it. Body wash. Ooh, fancy body wash. I don't think I've ever gotten body wash from them before. Wild lavender body wash. Ooh, I love lavender. It's $28. It makes velvety bubbles. Oh, I might use this in a nice shower tonight. I just want to sniff it. You know me. I want to sniff it. Oh, lavender sounds really nice. I think I have, like, I just bought, like, dial lavender wash, so this will be much fancier. Oh, that smells really nice. I'm excited. Go take the tap. To take a shower tonight with this. Yes. Yay! Okay. Next thing, we've got NARS. NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. It's a $27 lip pencil. I know NARS is expensive stuff, but it just still blows my mind that anybody would pay $27 for a lip pencil. It's a nice color. Like, that's very pretty. What's the name of this color? And it is velvety. Famous red, yeah. Very red. Come on. It's not. I don't know why it's so blurry today. It doesn't really seem to want to focus on that. So anyways, that's pretty. Now we've got Luna Magic. What is Luna Magic? Luna Magic Beauty Vavoom Pink Lash Primer. So this is a lash primer. I don't usually use lash primers, but hey, I'm willing to try it. How much is it? It is $25, which is one sweep. The innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. I know a lot of people use primers when they use colored mascaras, but I guess it could be useful also in just regular mascara. So I'm just opening it up to get a look. It is pink. It is pink. I've never used one before, so we'll find out. Then we've got, I can't read the thing, so I'm looking for it on here. I think it's the Touch and Soul Pretty Filtered Glowdient Makeup Palette. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that use your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. So this seems like, of course, I need a blade for this. I need a blade. Because they put like a sticker on here. There we go. So let's see. This sounds like it is bronzer, yeah. I'm not a huge bronzer person. I do have a lot of bronzers though that I'm like, that I barely use and I should use more. Obviously, I'm gonna use the lighter end of this because I am very fair skinned. But we'll see. I will experiment with it and see what I think. And lastly, right, which I think is why they had the paper, because there's another piece of paper underneath it. Plus this, I think they were being very careful with this palette. A palette from OPV Beauty. I don't know OPV Beauty. Just trying to be very careful. Come on. Maybe a little too careful. Slide it out. You know, I always love an eyeshadow palette. Oh. This is very, very pretty. Look at all those colors. That blue is gorgeous. What's it called? Dream. It is a dream. All those greens, like, this is an exciting palette. This gold color is really pretty. What's that called? Exhibit. Deplug. Star. Look at that red. Oh my goodness gracious me. Goodness gracious me. Like, I actually, like, am very excited about that. And, you know, I'm gonna use all this stuff. You know, I like to, like, do a first impressions with everything in the Boxycharm in a different video, which I will. That's exciting. But this, of course, won't be in it, because this, I'm not taking you into the shower with me. Sorry, guys, I'm not. But, yeah, I think it'll be fun to do a makeup look with that stuff. And I needed some inspiration, and that definitely gave me some inspiration. Fun. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching me. And please, I know that, like, mandates have been lifted and stuff, but please still be safe out there. Please. Thanks. Bye, kitty cats.